Hey everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and ATC Thursday. Every week, well I'm hoping every week, but every week between now and the end of the year, I am going to be doing an ATC on Thursdays. Now obviously these videos were made throughout this year of 2021. This particular video I'm recording in January, but you won't see it until September, so I hope things are relatively back to normal by then. But we're going to do an autumnal one. I've got my autumn 6x6. This is fall is in the air, and this is an Echo Park one. And I've also got some chipboard pieces, so I'm going to use those. I think I've chosen my paper. I've got a wooden maple leaf. I've got some orange berries, and we're just going to create. I'm probably just going to create and leave it in real time, as much as it in real time as possible, and play some music over the top. But I think I'm going to need my glue gun, because I'm going to need to glue those items on. So let's plug in the old glue gun. My colour I want to use. I'm going to use the art glitter glue. I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to use some vintage photo or walnut, I think, some walnut distress ink around the edges. Now these ATCs are not going to have any particular theme, so I'm not going to be doing just autumnal or Halloween or Christmas ATCs. I'm going to mix it all up. I am going to be doing some of those, but I'm also going to be doing other styles of ATC. Okay, I think I might want some of this twine in the background. So at least some of this yellow and some of this orange. Do I want some of this brown? Gosh. So just going to roll it around my fingers, because I want that in the center, and maybe some of this twine in the background. Kind of free flowing. I'm not going to be too, want to be organic, if that makes sense. Maybe 4 fingers. Glue it onto the back. But I want to use all the different colours. But first of all, I want to colour this in, and I want this to be, I think I want that to be gold. So I'm just going to use my gold paint pen, and I got this from Poundland. And just in case you're wondering what ATC stands for, ATC stands for Artist Trading Card. If you want to know much more about what an ATC is, I will link my ATC 101 video at the end of this video. The reason why I decided to do this series is because in 2022 I want to do some swaps, because it's been a long time since I've taken part in any swaps, and I would really like to do some swaps in 2022, as long as, you know, the world's gone back to some sort of normality and it doesn't take, you know, 3 months for things to arrive everywhere. Okay, let's put some of these beads in. So as I'm hoping to do the swaps in 2022, I need to build up my my stash of ATCs. Maybe here, maybe this full memories. Can that fit there? Yep, but I want it across. Maybe there. I don't know. There's no sentiments on that one. Quite thankful. Quite like the thankful. So I want it along the bottom. I like it landscape. Trying to figure out where I want, what sentiment I want to use. Give thanks. Yeah, I think that's the one. I'm going to put some art glitter glue on the back, because obviously I've had these in my stash quite a while and they are not as sticky as they once were. This is another reason why I want to do this. I want to use up all my stash. Well, not use it all up, but use things that I've had for such a long time. Okay, crafters, I'm going to call that done. There we go. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you would like to know more about ATCs and you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will try and answer them. Let me untwist these. If I can untwist these just to give it a bit more. Yeah. Untwist them slightly. Okay, crafters, that's the first one, and I will see you again next week on Thursday with another ATC project. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.